Let's check out these two steampunk coloring books by R.J. Hampson. I'm going to do a flip through the newer book, and then I'll flip through this one. This book was released in 2021, and this one was released in 2025. R.J. Hampson does have 3 coloring books, but these are the ones that I wanted to invest in. So let's check out Steampunk Revival. You get the gears. I think I've been a fanatic of steampunk since 2014. And when I used to go to Comic-Con every year, I would go hunt down steampunk related things. This one is Home Wycombe, a little town, carrot soup, and this is absolutely extraordinary. A brisk walk. This is probably the first design I want to color, but we shall see. The Clockmaker. Kind of have a Professor or a Mad Hatter steampunk design here. This is actually fairly messy, but in all the right ways. Love these dragons. Apothecary Shelf. A little heart. And this little rabbit is the keeper of the heart. It says Heart Quest. And as always, I really do enjoy seeing the little emblems here for each design, because you can start there and then kind of work your way over. The Cake Shop, what looks like a little hen or a little bird, and a really complex little cake shop. I love this. It's so cool. I can imagine doing copper and teals. The Ice Cream Man. It's like a train tractor. There's a little umbrella on top. The Art of Flight. I like that there's some butterflies around too. Just really nice oval scene. Coal-fired power plant. It's like, okay, so this is the fireplace. Yeah, these might have to be different types of metals. That's kind of clever. On Angel's Wings, you got an angelic figure. Oh, it's an angelic frog. Now this is the type of frog that I'd like to color. This is really impressive. Really like this dragonfly, it looks like. And this looks like a snail with wings. Just overall, I can see a lot of light coming through. Really neat. Butterfly bots. So you could do different types of metal for these. They got gears on them. Ship of Fools. So why are they fools? Maybe because they're, I don't know, nuts and bolts are falling through. Maybe they are fools because they didn't check their gears as they're falling apart. Wizard, which you've seen this, a wizard similar in the past books. You got a really fat, happy dragon. The Maestro. You got this octopus and some little guys here. Looks like most of the steampunk elements are in the organ here. The Great Elephant Bathhouse. These are the designs that I don't get really excited to do, but the reality is it probably is a lot of fun to color all these elephants in here, and look at the pools up here. So this is the type of stuff with the other book, that's why I didn't pick it up, is because I thought it would be a lot of tiny details. This one is Submariners. You have a cat. I don't know what this is. Maybe a mouse? It looks like he has a spaceship, but kind of almost like a Jetsons kind of old school submarine. It's kind of cute. Ticketmaster. Next Train. Platform 2. See, in the States, if you said Ticketmaster, we all think of movie theaters. But when I traveled in UK, I realized this is a Ticketmaster. That's really cool, because you do a lot of train traveling in that country. The Nanny. So you have a cute little buggy, and the nanny doesn't even have to walk the buggy. Beautiful bridge. This is the type of stuff that's just so magical about RJ's style. Beautiful, the way the vines and the flowers are, and you could do a lot of lighting if you wanted. Burning Ring of Fire. You kind of have a phoenix with a whole bunch of steampunk elements. You could turn this into a clock if you wanted. A Head for Heights. Aquarium. And you get kind of the larger elements of all the different coloring pages you've seen with these designs with these critters. It normally has like a mailman or some kind of office, I think it is, for a lot of the other designs, like in hide and seek and others. Fancy Follies. It's almost like they have a huge screen of history on the wall and they are talking about it, and they've got art. Snail and some buddies and a little fairy, it looks like. On Our Way, and it's got almost that other design where you're looking into history. You could do some brick on the back, but this will be neat to kind of make this an intriguing design inside. Well, here's the second pages. For this area, I'll go ahead and put the first designs on the left so you can see them side by side without any commentary. And there it is. Let's go ahead and check out the other steampunk coloring book. Robot Police Department. Mobile Home. Congestion. Blimp Bot. Senescence. When Goldfish Rule the Earth. There's actually a scene with Doctor Who with something similar like this. Streets of Glory. DJ. Conspiracy. G83 Garbage Disposal Unit. This one kind of has a comic clip. Office Automation. So let's check out this comic clip. So it looks like some printouts. This is the other floor. Okay, so it's three stories. Okay. Chef 2.0. It looks like it's dissecting all the parts of the Chef 2.0. The Juggler. Some cats. Recharge. Well, there's your problem. I can't see the problem. I bet you if you colored it, you could see the problem. Deep Sea Diver, Desert Rose, Exploration, A Day Out of the Town, Quest, C, Q, Ceased, I don't know. I'm sure if I colored it, maybe I'd understand. On the Move, Radio, the P-14, Rise of the Snow Globes. That's a cute winter scene. Rogues Gallery. And here's the second pages. I think these are just duplicates, because this is an older book. Yeah, these are duplicates. So I won't go through these to save time on the video. Actually, this is a really decent coloring book. I just wasn't sure about it, and I'm glad I picked it up if I want to do some robot coloring. This one has a little bit less Victorian elements, which is something I adore. So if I had to pick between the two of these, I would go for the Steampunk Revival because of the elegance on every single page. If you enjoy books like these, I do have a playlist dedicated to all coloring book flip-throughs that I will leave at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.